Hello aspirants, welcome to KK Math Subar, Learn with Kiran sir. So here we come up with the third video on the topic integration short tricks. For the first two videos, still if you have not seen, links are provided in the description box. So go through it for both part 1 and part 2, very important short tricks which has been explained. So even in this today's videos, you see that very important short tricks will be explained. You need to look at the question properly, watch completely, you will understand it better way. So let's begin. So let's start. So look at the question is of definite integral. Question number 1. So let me write it as 0 to pi by 2. So the limits are from 0 to pi by 2. Lower limit is 0 and upper limit is pi by 2. And the question is sin square x into dx. So you might have gone through these kind of questions in your theory classes. Sin square x into dx, first you need to convert in terms of cos functions. Then you need to find out what is the integrals. Apply the limit, you will get the answer for that, right? So now by looking at this question, I know what is the solution of this. Easily I can do it. And the solution for this is pi by 4. And the solution for this is pi by 4. I am writing it directly. I know the result. What is that result? So by applying that, I am writing this. The same question if I ask you, integral 0 to pi by 2, instead of sin square x, I will write it as sin cube x into dx. Then what is the solution for this? And this solution is not with respect to pi, and it is with respect to a number, and the number is 2 by 3. So how it is 2 by 3, which we need to understand it. Once you know the results, you can able to do it like this. As I am writing, just like this, you can also do that. Similarly, if I ask you, so what is the integral of 0 to pi by 2 sin x whole power 4 into dx? So what is the value of this? You can write it on your own. So first what we do is, so let me write the trick for that, standard result. So then we can able to answer this. So let's watch this very carefully, students. So what is the result? Let me write down here the standard result for this trick, and you can use it for any power n. It can be sin square, it can be sin cube, it can be sin x power 4, it can be sin x power 5, it can be sin x power 6, and goes on. So what does it says that? Result says integral 0 to pi by 2. So this you keep it as it is, 0 to pi by 2. So sin x whole power n, sin x whole power n into dx. So what is the solution of this? The solution of this is, numerator is n minus 1, n minus 3, n minus 5 up to k, whole divided by denominator containing n into n minus 2, n minus 4, and goes on. And what is this k? We will define what is this k. So where I will write k will be pi by 2 if n is even. So look at carefully, k is pi by 2 if n is even, and k will be 1 if n is odd. If n is odd. So students, very short trick and very important trick which you have learned right now, and we will verify with this, have I written the correct solution or not. So look at once again, sin x whole power n into dx, integral is from 0 to pi by 2, and it is nothing but n minus 1, n minus 3 up to k times divided by n into n minus 2. And what is k? It has been defined, iska pi by 2 hoga if n is even numbers, and it is 1. So this is 1 if n is odd. Okay. So now let's look at here, is it matching or not? Integral is from 0 to pi by 2, sin square x into dx. So what is n here? So n is an even. If n is even, what is the value of k? K is pi by 2. So keep it in the mind. So I will just rewrite it again, 0 to pi by 2 sin square x into dx. By applying this formula, let us look at whether we get as pi by 4 or not. So n का value क्या है? n का value 2 है. So 2 minus 1 करो. So 2 minus 1, and this time you cannot take it, divided by what is the value of n? N is 2. So next you cannot take it, it becomes a 0, not defined. So you should keep it, and it is k is equal to pi by 2 if n is even, because 2 is an even number. So multiply with pi by 2. So therefore, what is the answer for this? So 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 by 2 into pi by 2 is pi by 4. So this trick you need to understand it very very carefully. So therefore, integral 0 to pi by 2 sin square x into dx is nothing but pi by 4. Got it? So hope you have written how I have written the answer directly by looking at this formula. This formula you should keep it in the mind. Numerator क्या है n minus 1, n minus 3 and goes on up to k. Denominator क्या है n into n minus 2. So what will be the value of k? K will be pi by 2 if n is even and k will be 1 if n is odd. So now let us verify quickly for this. So 0 to pi by 2 sin cube x into dx. So that means here n is an odd. So value of k क्या होगा? 1 होगा. So numerator will be 1 and here you substitute the values of n. n is 3. So 3 minus 1. If n is 3, so 3 minus 3 becomes 0. So you should not consider that term. Denominator you considered. n is 3. 3 minus 2. 1. Okay. Next if you take it 3 minus 4 which is minus 1, negative terms will not consider it and the value of k is remains 1. So therefore what is the value of this? 3 minus 1 is 2 and 2 divided by 3. So look at here. 2 by 3 is the right answer, right? So easily we can solve this. If you go through your theoretical way of solving, it takes at least 10 to 15 minutes to solve this question. Now within a minute I can able to solve this, right? By applying this formula properly. Now you do it for this. Sin x whole power 4 into dx. You need to fill this. So what is the power? Power is even. The value of k is pi by 2. So that is fixed. So this is equal to, put n is equal to 4. So what will you get? 4 minus 1. So next 4 minus 3. If we consider the next number n minus 5 days, 4 minus 5 will get it. So not to consider that. Denominator. So denominator क्या है? 4. 4 minus 2. Right? If you consider the next it will be n minus 4. So 4 minus 4 will be 0. So don't consider it. Multiplied with pi by 2 because if n is even, the value of k is pi by 2. So now simplify this. How much time it takes? 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1 divided by 4 times of 4 minus 2 is 2. So what is the answer? Into pi by 2. So numerator क्या आ रहा है? 3 pi. So denominator is 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 4 is 16. Therefore what is the answer for this? So 3 pi by 16. Such a standard result for any value of n you can able to prove it directly by looking at this formula. So note down this formula. Standard trick. Very time saving result. So this type of result will help a lot in your coming competitive examinations. Okay students, note down. So well students, you have learnt a very important result with respect to the sine functions. Sin x whole power n into dx, limit is from 0 to pi by 2, right? And the second trick very important with respect to cos functions, and the same formula will work it out. The same formula, whatever formula which you have written it for sine functions, the same formula will work it out. So what is that result? So I'll write it as a directly result, then we can solve the problems very easily. So what is that result? 0 to pi by 2. So sin x. So here you have written with respect to sin x. So here we need to change it for cos function. So cos x whole power n into dx. And I can write the formula directly. It is n minus 1, n minus 3, n minus 5 and it goes on. So next term n minus 7, n minus 9 and it goes on. So up to k divided by denominator में n into n minus 2, n minus 4 and it goes on. ठीक है? So and you know what is value of k? What does k stand for? So where you mention what is k? So k will be pi by 2 if n is even and k will be 1 if n is odd. So by using this result now I can able to tell so what is cos square x into dx? The limit is from 0 to pi by 2. So can you able to say the answer? So which we already written it for sine function. So 0 to pi by 2 cos square x into dx. So quickly note down once again. n is 2 है, even है, तो इधर 2 अप्लाई करो, तो 2 minus 1, तो देखना है नेक्स्ट 2 minus 3 minus 1, so do not take it, and denominator n is equal to 2, so 2 minus 2 will be 0, so you should not consider it, multiplied with, if it is a even, it is pi by 2, so therefore what is the answer? 1 by 2 into pi by 2 is pi divided by 4. So how easily we can solve this, right? So similarly, now you can do it for 0 to pi by 2. So cos cube x into dx. Okay. So what will be? N is odd. The value of k is 1. So that is clear. Put n is equal to 3. So 3 minus 1. 3 minus 3 will be 0. So do not consider it. So come to the denominator. Put n is equal to 3. So 3 minus 2 is 1. Next you see 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Do not consider it. So multiplied with k is equal to 1. So therefore what is the answer? 2 divided by 3. So got it? Similarly I can able to do it for integral 0 to pi by 2. What is cos x whole power 4? Cos x whole power 5. Cos x whole power 6 and goes on. So note down. So now students, work for you. So by observing the results and the formulas which we have applied it for a given questions, you can able to answer these questions easily. So question number 1 क्या है? Integral 0 to pi by 2, ये तो fix रहेगा. So cos x whole power 4 into dx. So quickly do it and you should tell me how many seconds you have taken to solve this. Option A pi by 2, option B 3 pi by 16, option C is 5 pi by 16 and option D is pi by 16. Look at the options very clearly and you should tell me which is the right option for this question. Question number 2, 0 to pi by 2 sin x whole power 5 into dx. So that is equal to, option A says 2 by 3, option B 8 by 17, option C 8 by 15 and option D is 7 by 15. So quickly solve it. So right now when you look at the video, so try to solve it. Do comment which is the right options and how many seconds you have taken to solve this. So students, this is one of the standard results because this can be proved it for any values of n. Even if I want to know what is the sin x whole power 100x, integral from 0 to pi by 2, I can solve within a minute. So that's the importance of this result. Try to revise it. So make a separate formula book to revise these kind of short tricks, time saving results. So thank you students, keep learning, keep watching the video. So do subscribe the channel if not yet subscribed, because if you want to have these kind of short tricks, and you need to click the bell icon for the new video notifications. So thank you everyone.